If you've ever wanted to find free games on Steam quickly, this video is going to show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're looking for full free-to-play games, free demos, or just trying to discover something new without spending any money, Steam makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact process so you can start browsing free games on Steam in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can type in store.steampowered.com or just search for Steam in your browser and click the official store link. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main Steam storefront with featured games, specials, and categories across the top. Now look at the top menu bar. You want to find the categories option. You can either click it directly or hover over it to open the drop-down menu. This is where Steam organizes different types of games and content, including free games. After the drop-down opens, look for the free-to-play option and click it. This is the key step that takes you straight into Steam's collection of free games. Once you click free to play, Steam will load a page filled with games you can play without paying anything up front. You'll now see a list of free titles that you can browse through at your own pace. Scroll down to explore the available games and use the filters if you want to narrow things down by genre, features, or popularity. This is really useful if you're trying to find something specific like action games, multiplayer games, or casual titles. If you already have a game name in mind, you can also use the search bar in the top right corner of Steam to search for that exact free game. Just type in the title and see whether it's listed as free to play or has a free version available. That's a great way to save time if you already know what you want. Another helpful tip is to pay attention to whether a game is truly free to play, a free demo, or a limited time free offer. Steam often has all three, and they can look similar at first glance. So before you install anything, open the game page and check the pricing details carefully. If the game says free to play, you can usually add it to your library and start playing right away. If it's a demo, you'll still be able to try part of the game for free, and if it's a temporary free weekend or promotion, make sure to grab it while the offer is active. Once you find a game you like, click the game listing to open its store page. From there, you can read the description, check screenshots, watch trailers, and see system requirements before downloading. If everything looks good, just hit the play game or add to library button, depending on the title. Steam will then guide you through the install process. So to recap, the fastest way to search free games on Steam is to open the Steam store, go to categories, select free to play, and then browse or search for the game you want. It's a simple method, but once you know it, you can find tons of free games in seconds. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Steam tips or gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.